Hey, hello. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm here to show you how to create a customer part number and how you can use that to help find your items faster. So, for example, we'll just find an item. This pair of gloves right here will work. You'll click on the item, go to the product page, and right below the Add to Supply List button, there's the Add and Remove Customer Part Number button. You want to click on the Add or Remove Customer Part Number button. Type in your customer part number. Once you've got it typed in, you'll click the Add button. And as you can see here, the customer part number was successfully added. You can see it right below the unit of measure here. Now, to find it again, we'll go back to the catalog. You can just type in that customer part number here in the search bar. Click on the search button. And as you see here, it could bring you right back to the item we just added our customer part number to. Should you need to make any changes, you can just click on the Add or Remove Customer Part Number button again. Click on the checkbox to the corresponding customer part number. You'll be able to update or remove the customer part number should you need to. I hope this helps. You enjoy the rest of your day.